guys, so this vlog was actually not planned up until a couple days ago. I am being very spontaneous today and this weekend. So basically AJ and Sarah were up in Sacramento this past weekend. We had brunch and Sarah literally looks at me and goes, "What are you doing on Wednesday?" And I was like, "I'm working. That's what I'm doing on Wednesday." And she's like, "Oh, okay, well, we got reservations for Star Wars Land Galaxy's Edge and we can add people to our reservations. So you should come with us." And I was like, "Oh, that's a good joke. That's never gonna happen. Like, I work a full-time job. Like, I don't do things really last minute like this. Like, everything is really planned." So I went home, I talked to my family and my friends, and we were just kind of, you know, just talking about everything. And they all pretty much looked at me like, "Lauren, you're an idiot. You have to go do this." So basically, I'm in the car. I'm not with my family. Shocker, surprise. But I did ride down with AJ. So AJ, like I said, was driving back down to LA where he lives today. So I figured, hey, let me ask if I could ride with him and then I can go to Star Wars Land. So that's what we are going to be doing tomorrow. So tonight we are driving, or today we're driving. We've been on the road for 5 hours now, and I'm just now starting the vlog. I think the first clip is in and out because, you know, first things first, priorities. We had to do lunch at some point. And yeah, like I said, right now we are on the Grapevine. We're gonna go stay at Sarah's house tonight. Then we're gonna go to Disneyland tomorrow, go to Galaxy's Edge. That's gonna be really fun. And then Thursday, I was gonna say Saturday. And then the next day, Thursday, I was going to be alone. I don't know if that's still the case. Sarah was gonna try and get the day off from work, but we will certainly see. If not, it might be a solo day for me. I don't really know yet. We are just gonna play it by ear. So today, driving down, and I think we're gonna, I don't know, I think we're going to the beach tonight and gonna do like a little bonfire on the beach, maybe, or go to the Disneyland because, exciting news, AJ is an annual pass holder now.
Exciting news.
Welcome to the club.
Yes.
So if you're an annual pass holder, please welcome him with open arms.
I need many arms.
Many, we will take any. So AJ just became a pass holder last night, so we need to get that straightened out, of course. So we don't know if we're going to do that tonight or first thing in the morning. I already know I'm going to have to wake up really, really early to get my makeup done because our reservations are at 9 a.m. I think. Supposedly.
I
think so. So that's the plan right now. There's a really pretty lake to my right, so I might stop talking and show you that, but I'm really excited. Oh, and then also, plot twist, Thursday night, my family is driving down and we're going to spend the weekend in Disneyland together. So I'm going to be out of work for 4 days, which is really crazy. My boss let me out of work for 4 days, very last minute, so I'm very appreciative for that. And I get to have a little spontaneous getaway weekend with my friends, myself, and my family. So it's going to be an interesting week. Yeah, a big trip. Like I said, I don't really do things like this. Look at the lake. Can you see the lake? I don't. There. There, I hope you guys can see the lake. I show it like all the time because it's so pretty. But yeah, that is that for right now. And then I think we'll be to Sarah's in about 2 hours or so. We might stop at Starbucks, grab a little drinky drink because we're probably going to be sitting in some rush hour traffic in LA. So we're having a great time. Yes. We've had a good conversation this whole time.
Lots of favorites.
Lots of favorites. What's your favorite thing? That is true. From everything from movies to food to snacks, actors, vegetables, flowers, you name it. So
lots of things.
Yes. So anyway, that is that right now. And then I'm sure I should be better about vlogging. So I'll see you soon. Okay guys, just a quick little update. We are still in the car. It is 5:30. This was our initial ETA, but we stopped for Starbucks and stopped for gas. I don't think, did I vlog after we got gas?
No.
I don't remember when I vlogged now.
Just taking videos of downtown.
Okay, maybe that was it. But yeah, we had to stop and get gas, of course. And it was so hot in Bakersfield. It was like 100 degrees. It was just dry breeze, just dry wind and the heat. It was so gross. But right now, I don't even know where we are. This is terrible. Who am I? What am I doing? Hey, do you know what?
We're turning on 605, but that means nothing.
We're turning onto the 605. Let me pull up my maps. We're about a half an hour away from Sarah, and let me look at my map. map. Hang tight. Okay, we are near No, we're not. Wait, where are we? If you guys could see the map, it literally shows like we're smack dab in the middle of Downey, Norwalk, Bellflower, and Paramount. But it doesn't show an actual city.
Yeah.
We're somewhere in Southern California. So we're gonna go have pizza with Sarah tonight and her husband, and we should be there in about a half an hour. So that's super excited. I think we're getting kind of restless, or at least my legs are getting a little restless. But we've had a great trip. We've had a lot of fun.
Yes.
Podcasts, music, conversations, everything. Starbucks, In and Out.
Dry wind.
Oof, the heat. The sun has been on me this whole trip, so the fact that I now have a little bit of shade, the sun is behind me, we're good to go. Lauren's ready to vlog.
Ready.
She's shown up for the vlog. So anyway, we're just in the car. AJ's very focused on the drive.
Oh yeah, got to.
So profound.
Well, there are crazy drivers out here, like this car right here.
I know.
See, trying to get
Excuse
in
me,
last
sir.
minute. Mm-mm.
Okay, who honked? That was not us.
I think it was the car back there saying, "How rude of you to
Excuse
wait."
me, beep beep. Anyway, so we are now the wide open freedom.
605.
The 605. We've literally taken the 99 to the 5 to the 107 to the 105 to the 605. Is that right?
I don't know.
Have we been on 5 freeways? I don't know. I think we're a little delusional at this point. See, I'm in the sun again. It's okay. Well, I'm going to cut this off now. I will check in once we get with Sarah.
Get with Sarah.
We're going to get with Sarah. No, once we meet up with Sarah and do dinner, because that's what we're going to do. And I think we're going to the beach. I don't really know. It's been an interesting text conversation.
Yes.
That's that. Okay guys, so I have actually not checked in quite a while. We arrived at Sarah's house. We got all of our stuff taken up, and I showed them some footage from the previous vlog, so they got like a little sneak peek. And then we went out to dinner. We went to Huntington Beach, and there was kind of like a little farmer's market going on. So we went and had dinner at a pizza place down there. It was really, really good. Where were they from? Like Italy or Rome or something?
Yeah,
something
Rome,
like
Italy.
Rome. You know, guys, it's been a really stressful couple of days. She is not all here. Anyway, we
She's from USA, America.
She's from the US of A. No, so we went and had pizza there. It was really, really good. And right now, it's almost, I think it's like 9 o'clock. It's a little after 9. And we are actually here at Huntington Beach, on the beach. It's really dark, of course, so you can't see anything. But we're going to be making s'mores. I'm so excited. Sarah and her husband picked up a bunch of s'more making stuff and bonfire making stuff. So, I really hope I don't get copyrighted. I didn't even think of that because the music going. Ooh, okay, anyway, I'm going to try and talk really, really loud, but there's a bunch of people out here. There's a bunch of fire pits and stuff, and we're going to be out here for another hour because it closes at 10. So that's what's going on right now. That's the cute little parking lot, if you can see it back there with all the little lights and palm trees. And then there's like a bunch of people this way. There's only a couple people in front of us. And then that way, in the great black abyss, is the ocean, the Pacific Ocean, if you don't know your geography. She does. We're here right now. I will certainly introduce Sarah and her husband into the vlogs, and you've seen AJ all day, so
We don't need him.
we don't need him. He's also into the really dark abyss over here. So anyway, that is that, and let me introduce you. Okay, you guys should remember. You guys should remember Sarah. Sarah, come into the light. We can turn this up a bit. Ooh, we're fancy. We're the brightest things out here.
Oh, yes.
Anyway, you guys should remember Sarah. She was in our last vlog for my birthday.
Yes.
Isn't she adorable? And look at all of our chocolate. We are so ready.
Okay, so, because you know how traditional s'mores you use Hershey's, right? Well, I just got into these. Y'all, I don't know if you've
What is
eaten
that?
these. It's like an M&M bar. So it's a chocolate bar with M&Ms in it. But the chocolate is not like cheap chocolate. It tastes awesome. So we're going to put these in the s'mores because we're not basic.
Remix. And then anything else or just regular?
Well, and then there's the crispy ones. Those are good too.
The crispy ones.
They also have almond and peanut butter, or peanut, hashtag not sponsored.
The more you know. Anyway, that's what we're doing right now. And I will be sure to show you the s'mores. I love s'mores. Okay, so Sarah's gonna help me with my s'more. Look at, she has it ready to go.
Ooh, look at the fire in the background, that aesthetic.
Honestly.
Oh gosh, it's raging. Ooh, you like it flamed.
I like it when it starts to like literally light on fire.
Whoa.
Yeah, like it needs to.
Okay.
Okay, girl.
I'm about that golden brown line.
You know, I'm honestly charred.
Love the char.
I love tasting the actual fire. I like it when it like lights on fire and then you're like, yeah, I gotta blow it out. That's what I like. Okay, Sarah, we ready
Yes.
to do the exchange? She is burnt.
Ooh, ooh.
Ooh, yes.
You ready for this?
Volcanic.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yes, I'll switch you this for that. Is that okay?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, taste test of the actual s'mores. We're ready. Oh, AJ's making a s'more right now. Let's get in on this action.
Please roasting.
There's AJ. Okay, taste test. S'mores mukbang.
That would be good.
It's so good. The taste of fire, unbeatable. Truly, you can only do it yourself. The ultimate DIY. S'mores. You guys, AJ is getting his annual passport this morning.
Signing on the line.
Yay!
It's not dotted though.
Guys, I have yet to actually check in, but we have been here for a few hours. We have already ridden Astro Blasters and Matterhorn. That was really awful. Anyway, we already have our wristbands for Galaxy's Edge. That is why I am down here. Sarah invited me. She and her husband had reservations for Galaxy's Edge, and she asked me 3 days ago to go with them, and that's where I am. So anyway, we have our reservations. Our reservations are for 45 minutes from now. So we are about to head over there and get in line because we have to do our Cantina reservations first thing, and then we're gonna go ride Smuggler's Run and do whatever. So we have 4 hours inside Galaxy's Edge today, and I'm really excited to see it. I feel like I've been watching it be built for many, many years. From like the, yeah, and like with the parking structure and stuff, you can see everything. So it's kind of cool. You can like, I think I have like clips. I should like probably put them all together at one point. Show like the progression. But anyway, that's what we're doing right now. I will show you guys my friends. They are here. I am not alone, I promise. These are not voices I'm adding in afterwards. This is Sarah. You can see her now. It's not dark like last night. This is Sarah's husband, and you guys know AJ. We're a real rowdy crowd. Oh yeah, all of our wristbands. Yes.
The force is with us. In the right, that's it.
We just have to go around.
Okay guys, we have our blue milk or green milk. Yes. What is your favorite? Which one?
Well, they're both different. This one's more tropical. This one's kind of like a floral jasmine.
Yeah.
They're both good. They're just different.
He does not.
I like the blue.
AJ, which one?
They're both good. It's hard to
I
decide.
think I like the green. I don't know.
Let me try the green again.
Okay. We're sharing drinks.
I bought this one.
I say blue.
Also, did you show them my attempted Han Solo?
Attempted Han Solo.
How did I do? But I'm like sweating really bad right now.
It's really hot. And there's no shade.
It is hot as. Not to be confused with something else.
Right.
I'm just being Australian.
I mean, I guess they're both pretty good, but that one I feel like just kind of like surprised me. The green one kind of surprised me at first. I wasn't really expecting
it's
that.
different but good.
Yeah, I like it. Yay! Oh, also, we were we were able to get reservations at the Cantina, so we have a 90-minute wait.
We are so excited.
And it's all because of AJ. He ran ahead and held our place in line. So, pro tip.
Have tall people in your party.
With long legs. Look at how cool this is! Oh my goodness. This is like the best little lookout.
One looks shifty. Are you on recon for the resistance?
Yeah.
I think you're bluffing. Probably. You're under surveillance just in case.
Uh-oh. You guys just got chewed out.
I know.
You're real shifty.
After the first hour. So the creatures that you adopt, they come in.
Sarah, what is this?
This is a Batuu.
Okay.
It is.
There is no way you're gonna read it from the menu. Having fun.
Yes, so much.
So much fun. You guys, Tia and Tamara Mowry are right there. You guys, I'm a gunner. Look at how stunning this is. Wait, what are you?
Push.
Pilot.
Pilot. Sarah's pilot. What?
Pull.
Also
Pilot.
pilot.
You want to do that?
Pilot
Yay!
and gunners?
Yes.
Great, thank you guys. All right, engineers, great. All right, so pilots, you're navigating the ship, okay? The right pilot has hyperdrive. Gunners, you're protecting the ship, okay? There's first order out there, it's really bad.
Gotcha.
Okay, engineers, you're fixing the ship, okay? If these pilots crash, we count on you guys.
Oh no.
Okay.
Okay.
Bring the ship back in one piece, pilots, okay?
Okay.
We're counting on you.
I've driven with both of them. They're both really safe drivers. Trust me.
Oh, good, okay.
Yeah.
We'll see how if the spaceship
Pilots. Right.
right.
Are you guys excited? Yay! Sarah, are you nervous?
I'm nervous.
You
I'm
better.
gonna try to make y'all proud.
Please.
And not crash.
And I are gonna attack the enemy. Yay!
Oh man.
Look at how cool this is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we're going in.
Oh my goodness, engineers in the back. So grab a seatbelt for credits. You gotta go.
Shut up!
Yes. Oh my gosh.
release before. You looked very chatty in the cantina. Now you can chat with us. Let's take a little walk. Approach. Now.
Where are they taking?
Safety. Do not approach the fugitive.
Wait, where are they taking?
Do not panic. We have contained the threat. You command. Resume employment. Nothing to see here. Move along. On our way. Permission to conduct the interrogation. They won't. I am serious. Sir, what's so... Yes. Of course. Say we fought a Jedi. I have negotiated your release. Don't thank me. The First Order will be watching you. Well, just move on, traveler.
Traveler.
Good.
Oh, look at him hamming it up over here. Right. Oh, yes, it looks like Han. I mean, not like in the face.
Yeah, exactly.
And your hair is awful.
Yep.
Quite
And
dark.
right. Yeah, exactly.
Just it again, if you want to get technical.
Yeah.
Hair is pretty light if you
Yeah, exactly.
Perfect. Oh, it looks like she was ready for the
Oh, it's so cute!
Pew pew.
pew pew.
Sarah, that was so cute! Oh, I love that. Okay, guys, we are leaving Batuu. It was so cute, and I'm gonna insert pictures of Sarah's, I don't know what you say, encounter? Experience with Chewbacca at the end.
It was my most favorite part of the day.
Oh, it was so
amazing.
cute.
If you guys ever come here, Chewie is the sweetest.
And he's huge.
Yeah, he's huge.
He was so cute. So we're done. We had a blast. We're gonna go ride Indiana Jones next, and then more adventures at some point today. Okay guys, we made it over to California Adventure. Right now we are waiting for So in Over California. I am so excited. This is one of my favorite rides in the parks, and I was really, really sad when they took it away. But right now we are in line, and we're playing this like little quiz thing from BuzzFeed, and it's like one of the hardest Disney quizzes. It's basically like guessing or like selecting which character the photo is. We made it to level 34. Yeah, so we're gonna try it again. It is harder than it sounds. Like there are of course like the easy, like simple ones that we all know and love. We're all here.
Sorry, I'm busy.
It's okay.
Getting us back to where we were.
Serious business. So that's what we're doing right now. And
Can
then
I show them one of these?
absolutely, we need content.
Okay. So, can you name this guy? Can you see that?
Yeah, they can see it.
What is his name?
Oh, we'll give you a few seconds.
And what movie is he from?
Okay, time is up. Lilo and Stitch. What's his name, AJ?
Clee.
We guessed. We had much discussion and deliberation.
Okay, here we
but
go.
we're right.
Okay, so this is
It's
what we
gotta
got.
be Dawn.
Dawn Bell in it?
It's gotta be Dawn.
It is.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, from
Wait, let me
Wreck-It
see.
Ralph.
Sergeant Calhoun.
Yeah, Calhoun.
Yes.
Yes. Ed. It's Ed, I know for sure. No. said.
Okay. Okay, go for it.
Shinzi.
Do it.
Yes! I
So that's
know
gotta
my
be-
Lion King.
That's gotta be the other one, the B
Bonsai.
one. Bonsai, yeah.
Okay, those were easy. Come on. Lion King.
Give us something harder.
Ooh.
Oh, wait.
What's that from? Wait, is that from Tarzan? That could be Bagheera. Let me see. Or no, not Tarzan, Jungle Book. Let me see.
No, it's a wolf. It's not a...
Oh. Because Bagheera's from Jungle Book. Ka is also from Jungle Book.
Oh, no, wait, it's not.
So Tequila or Rockshaw.
Bagheera was the
It was the
jaguar.
panther.
So
yeah.
it's not Bagheera.
And Ka is the snake from Jungle
Yeah.
Book.
So,
Raksha
Raksha or Kayla?
I feel like Rockshaw.
Oh, I feel like I can't.
Oh no. AJ, what do you think it is?
I don't know.
This
Is Aquila the mom though, or is it him? Because remember in the
try the
beginning he was like raised.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm talking about. Do Raksha.
Don't know, that's gonna put pressure on me because then if it's wrong, then it's my fault for the second time.
We're at 39, y'all.
I recognize Aquila more as a name,
Okay.
but
You have control of the phone. So you pick.
pressure.
It was Aquila.
It was Aquila.
You were wrong again.
I was wrong again.
See, good thing we didn't listen to Lauryn.
I'm so mad.
Oh, that's
Wait,
from
let me see.
Dinosaur.
I never saw that movie.
I've never seen
The
this movie.
Good Dinosaur. Or
It's not Arlo. Arlo's the little boy, I know that.
Earl?
It looks like Earl.
Earl.
But wait, Bubba is also kind of a funny looking name. That's very specific, like of a spelling for Bubba.
I would go with Earl, but it's
Do
okay.
Earl.
oh, it's Earl. Oh my goodness.
Wait, what number is that? 40?
That's ready. Okay.
Oh, that's
Fifi.
Fifi.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Oh, Han. No. Yes.
Oaken.
Are you
Okay.
sure?
Oaken.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Oh wait, I know this one.
It's not Triton.
I think it's Grimsby.
Yeah, Grimsby.
Whew.
Pongo.
Yeah, because Cordita's the mom.
Yes. Wow.
Some of these are easy. Name this. Oh.
Dodo. Wait, no, I think it's Nigel. I think it's Nigel. I really think it's Nigel.
Let's have them guess.
Okay, do it. That's from Alice in Wonderland. I know that.
I haven't seen that movie in forever. I don't. Is that focused? I can't.
Probably
tell.
not. It's okay.
Well, if not, too bad.
Okay, AJ, what are you guessing? Oh, this is a good long clip.
I was gonna say.
Not Huey.
I was gonna say Dodo, but it could be Nigel. Like I said, I haven't seen him forever.
Right. Let's go with Dodo.
Are you sure?
No.
You wait. You said Dodo, then you said Nigel.
I
What did
did.
you say?
I have no idea. I would say either Nigel or Dodo.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I narrow it down.
Let's do Dodo.
Oh gosh.
I'm gonna be 3 for 3 if this is wrong. Okay. Oh, we just got out on 46. Show the dog. Well, I wonder what it was. It doesn't say, huh?
It must be Jock.
It's gotta be Jock.